GED Math Practice Exam Questions. 0. A number n is multiplied by 3. The result is the same as when n is divided by 3. What is the value of n? 4. What is the greatest integer value of y for which 5y 0? 5.23 units. The right circular cylinder shown in the figure above has a height of 10 units and a radius of 1 unit. Points O and P are the centers of the top and bottom surfaces, respectively. A slice is cut from the cylinder as shown, so that the angle at the top, O, is 60 degrees, and the angle at the bottom, P, is 60 degrees. What is the volume of the slice? 1. If 10x plus 2 equals 7, what is the value of 2x? 13 units. The sides of a triangle are equal to integral numbers of units. Two sides are 4 and 6 units long, respectively. What is the minimum value for the triangle's perimeter? 315 in caret 3. Determine the volume of a rectangular box with a length of 5 inches, a height of 7 inches, and a width of 9 inches. $4,950. John buys 100 shares of stock at $100 per share. The price goes up by 10% and he sells 50 shares. Then, prices drop by 10% and he sells his remaining 50 shares. How much did he get for the last 50? Minus 7. If x2 for equals 45, then x could be equal to 182. A long-distance runner does a first lap around a track in exactly 50 seconds. As she tires, each subsequent lap takes 20% longer than the previous one. How long does she take to run 3 laps? 480 feet. A sailor judges the distance to a lighthouse by holding a ruler at arm's length and measuring the apparent height of the lighthouse. He knows that the lighthouse is actually 60 feet tall. If it appears to be 3 inches tall when the ruler is held 2 feet from his eye, how far away is it? 20%. A teacher has 3 hours to grade all the papers submitted by the 35 students in her class. She gets through the first 5 papers in 30 minutes. How much faster does she have to work to grade the remaining papers in the allotted time?